Let's start the conversation symbolically this morning by saying hi or high five. Will you all do that, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, high five, yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's now bring in positive vibes with a prayer song which will be brought to us by the students of Roshni Nilaya. We have students from MSc Counseling and BA Psychology leading us in prayer, but I see Olga standing. Olga, I think we can all remain seated, no problem. All of you can remain seated in prayerful silence. Let's listen to our prayer troupe. It's a large contingent coming up on stage. Thank you very much, students. We are happy to have you with us. Ladies and gentlemen, amidst us here, there might be people who have been closely, I must say, associated with cases of suicide attempts or suicide as counselors. There might be parents, friends, relatives who have had the experience of the shadow of suicide. It's necessary that we extend the idea of giving support, warmth, encouragement to all those who are in trouble, grief. Certain questions will remain unanswered, but certain pointers may help us come out of the cycle of grief. One of the attempts of Suicide Lifeline has been to remove the stigma and to encourage understanding. That is why we have an undergraduate student from Roshan Nilaya, Kushi Walke, who is ready to come here, take the mic and share with us her experiences. May I request Kushi Walke to come to the dais, and she will tell us more about why she has been invited and how she has shown the courage, the bravery to come here and speak to the audience. Come here, Kushi.
So, 13 years ago, my 12-year-old sister, who was brave, strong, and always promised my parents to be an IAS officer, committed suicide. I was just 6 years old when I saw her hanging in a room for the ceiling. It wasn't easy. I was a third daughter for my parents, and everyone there told my parents, it's okay, you have another daughter, take care of her. You have an elder daughter, take care of her, it's okay. Little did they know that loss was irreplaceable. No parent have to face that. No problem is bigger than that situation. Just face it. It's just a small problem. Suicide is not a solution. Just see your parents, guys. Just see your parents. Whenever you take a wrong decision, just know you will leave people behind who have to face a lot of problem. My parents, even after 13 years, last week it was her death anniversary. My parents stay in Karkala. Midnight I got my mom's call, video call, and she was crying. You think by time people will forget. People might forget, but your parents won't. Parents will never forget that. People told that you have 2 kids. It's okay. It was not okay. It was never the matter of being okay or fine. They lost their daughter. Even after that, there were few people telling behind my parents' back that maybe my dad had forced her to suicide. And I was grown in that situation, and I was grown in that atmosphere. People asking 5-year-old, 6-year-old, what did happen to your sister? Why did she commit suicide? I didn't even know the meaning of suicide. Now, my parents are very strong, they're supportive. When I got this opportunity, my mom was very proud. But I didn't want to come here and tell my experience there. This experience should never be faced by any one of your parents, family members. It's just one situation you have to face. Even if you don't face that, the time will pass and that will be a smaller problem. But is suicide a solution for anything? Just question yourself. That's all. Thank you. Thank you for this opportunity.
Ladies and gentlemen, it takes a lot of courage for people to come and share with us. Can we rise? I saw some of you rising spontaneously. And shall we remain standing, because we move on to a very significant part of this whole program, and that is taking the pledge. I request all the volunteers of Suicide Lifeline to stand on the aisle and on either side of the audience, even as Lavina Norona brings Patsy Lobo, Patsy for all of us. Patsy, we receive you with a lot of love in our hearts. You are a great philanthropist. You have many dimensions to your person.
Please raise your right hand forward as we read this beautiful, very thought-provoking suicide pledge, whispering hope, hope, the voice of some angels to us. I, please shout your names. I, please, Lavina Narona, like that. We do that. I, say your name, shout your name. Pledge to talk to someone if I need help, and reach out to my family and friends for support. If I have thoughts of self-harm, I pledge to be aware of the suicide warning signs and ask directly about suicide. If I am concerned about someone's safety, I pledge to listen without judgment and support those around me that are struggling with suicidal thoughts. And finally, I pledge and to keep myself and others safe to the best of my ability.
And although we don't raise our hand for this pledge, shall we also pledge to support Lavina Norona and Usha Rao in their endeavor of bringing about a change in the community around us. Thank you very much for all the good work that you do. May God be always with you. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a very important part of the program now, and that is a mime by MSW students of St. Aloysius College, is it? Yes, MSW students of St. Aloysius College.
Enemies ahead!
Thank you very much, dear students of MSW of St. Aloysius PG. Well, a picture can speak 1,000 words, a mime can speak 10,000 words. They reminded me of the words of Jeanette Walls, who once said that when people end their life, they think that they end their pain, but they're only passing on the pain to their loved ones. Real courage, real strength would be to go through the pain and emerge victorious. On that note, I have something very pleasant to announce, and that is the raffle draw. Now, gift hampers will be brought to the stage now for the raffle numbers for the draw, and Clinton will play a number when this goes on. Please allow me to talk also as your music goes. May I request the gift hampers to be brought to the stage. Well, for the draw, we have two very eminent people with us, and representing Mangalore round table, we have the chairman, Mr. Sandeep De Silva. We also have from the Mangalore Ladies Circle, we have the representative, Nandita Fernandez, if I'm not mistaken. May I request Mr. Sandeep De Silva and Nandita Fernandez to come to the stage, please. And as they come to the stage, it's my pleasure to say that we have members who are between the age groups of 18 and 40 doing a lot of philanthropic work, and their main intention is to promote education. Round Table India, under the initiative of Freedom Through Education, has built 7,500 plus classrooms and toilets, donated furniture, paid the fees, impacting 7.90 million children in India. In addition, the focus has also been on providing grocery kits during COVID, helping the old age homes and orphanages across the city. Ladies Circle focuses on empowerment of women and also community service. Very glad to have both of you with us, Nandita and Sandeep. Now is the time for the raffle draw, and my heart flutters because my raffle is also there. But I don't think I can influence you to take my raffle. Let's see who the lucky winners are. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the happy deed of the decision of the winners. The first one is, it's the first prize. Do we begin with the first? Okay, only one prize is it? How many prizes do we have, Lavina? 3. And these prizes have been sponsored by the eminent people on the stage. And the number of the first prize winner is 4453. 4453. Let's see who the winner is. Who is on 4453? We have volunteers here of Suicide Lifeline. Yes. Naina, 4453 is Rishal Caslino. We have the mobile number. If Rishal Caslino is not here, we don't have the rule that they have to be here. They will get the prize nevertheless. Now the mobile number is 8861 600 201, Rishal Caslino. We have Rishal's mother. That's a great coincidence that we have the mother. May we request, oh, she's here. Yes. Hearty congratulations to you, mother of Rishal. May I know your name? Senita, you have been a great help. So I think it is divine justice that Senita gets this prize and her son gets this. There has been no match fixing, okay? I assure you of that. This is purely by, it's by sheer coincidence that we have this, but we are happy about this. The second prize now. And once again, I thank you for sponsoring the prizes. Okay, the number now is, from 4 digits we come to 3 digits, and it is 220. One of the earlier birds to have bought the raffle ticket, 220. And all the volunteers are here on stage. You can come forward. You needn't stand in the background. Ratna, Naina, Debbie, all of you come forward. You needn't be in the background when you try to look for the winner. You should be in the limelight as volunteers. Come forward. The name of this winner is Cecilia Sheshtra. Sheshtra it is written, Cecilia Sheshtra, 8618852876. No worries if Sheshtra by chance is not here, no problem.
President of Ladies Club is here.
Okay, the president of Ladies Club, Shirley, is here, and Naina tells me that this goes to one of the members of the Ladies Club. So, Ladies Club president, may we request you to come here. Put your hands together for Shirley. Oh, my friend. Yes. My friend in solo conversations, I must say, Sabrina. You gave me this friend of mine to me. Yes. Congratulations. Although you are going to hand over the prize to somebody else, you have the pleasure of receiving it. And that's a big pleasure, isn't it? Yes. So we now have Shirley, President of Ladies Club, receiving the prize on behalf of Sheshtra. Congratulations. I can see that there is one more prize on the table. So we have one more draw. Am I right? Yes. So to the final prize of the morning. Okay, we go back to 4 digits. 1405. 1405. Shakti Bandari. Phone number is 95130-82751. Shakti Bandari. Shakti is not here. Sabrina, can you come to the stage to receive this prize on behalf of Shakti? Thank you. And congratulations to Shakti and Sabrina. Thank you for receiving it on her behalf. Thank you very much. Thank you, Sandeep and Nandita. It was a great honor to have you, and we remain indebted to you for sponsoring all the prizes for your noble deed. Ladies and gentlemen, we now have Alfina, staff nurse from Ave Maria Palliative Care, who will bring to us the iconic number by ABBA, I Have a Dream. Even as she gets ready, let me say that she would have fulfilled the dream of many people at Ave Maria Palliative Center by caring for them. And we stand here with deep admiration for all the good work that you have been doing, and I welcome you to the stage to bring to us the number I Have a Dream.
I have a dream, a song to sing, to help me go with anything. If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can see the future. Still another month. I believe in angels. Something good in everything I see. I believe in angels. When I know the time is right for me, I'll cross the street. I
Ladies and gentlemen, we have yet another pleasant task to perform, and that is the prize distribution of the slogan and jingle competitions that we had for students. And the judges for this slogan contest were Mrs. Bharati Shevgur and Mrs. Deborah Lobo. Judges for the jingle contest were Mrs. Vani Ummakka Kushalappa and Dr. Namrata Suvarna. I think we have two judges here, Vani Ummakka Kushalappa and Deborah Lobo, both my friends and Toastmasters. May I request you to come to the stage now to give away the prizes, and let's put our hands together for the judges as well as, I must say, dignitaries. Yes, Vani is also walking up. And I begin with the slogan contest, and I'm not going to announce the slogans because we have later on Clinton displaying the jingles, prize-winning jingles and slogans on the LED screen. So I will only announce the prizes. I begin with the third prize of slogan contest. We should build up suspense. So the third prize of the slogan contest goes to Ruben Saldana, CSC from Joseph Engineering College. Ruben Saldana from Joseph's Engineering College. Is Ruben here? We should have probably whispered into his ears that he was going to win a prize. But if we have anyone else from Joseph's Engineering College, please come to the stage. If not, I move on and I announce the second prize for slogan goes to Hayam Hamid from AJ Institute of Hospital Administration. Hayam Hamid. If he isn't around, or she, I don't know, I might be making a mistake with the pronunciation as well. If somebody else is there from AJ Institute of Hospital Administration, please come to the stage. All right. We come to the first prize, and I do hope that this first prize winner is here, and that is Yuvaraj, First BCA, Canberra College. I heard that, yes, Yuvaraj is here, and I heard that Canberra students walked up the distance from their college to the town hall to be here with us. Yes, Yuvaraj, hearty congratulations to you and your group for participating in this program. Receives the prize from Deborah Lobo. I move on to the jingle contest. Prize goes to Government First Grade College for Women, and Shahina is the name of the group leader. Shahina and the group. Yes, I see Shahina on her way to the stage. Congratulations. I feel happy because for a couple of years I taught here, so I can say that one of my students is getting the prize. Congratulations, Shahina. I move over to the second one, and the second prize for jingle goes to NMAM Institute of Technology, and the name is Anis K. Anis K from NMAM. We don't have the representative. And the first prize goes to, again I must say, we will definitely have the first prize winners, because the first prize goes to Roshni Nilaya. And we have Bhumika, Swati, Tushara, Cressida, Kirtana, Aparna Rao, Hakim, please come, Angel Binu, Amulya D'Souza, Anisha Frank and Raksha. All of you please come to the stage, and if at all there was one on your team whose name hasn't been mentioned, even that contestant can join you on the stage. Bhumika, Swati, Tushara, Cressida, Kirtana, Aparna Rao, Hakim, Angel Binu, Amulya D'Souza, Anisha Frank, Raksha. Hearty congratulations. It must be something worth waiting for. It will be displayed on the LED screen soon after. Dr. Sandra has accompanied her students proudly. Congratulations to the staff and students of Roshni Nilaya. May I request now all the Other prize winners also to join. Yes. All the other prize winners, please join. Yes, you please give it to them. They have already posed for the photo, so you can give it to them. Please give the prize. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Vani Kushalappa. She is Vice President Education of Winners Toastmasters. May I now request other prize winners to join them on the days for a group picture of all the prize winners. Once again, hearty congratulations. Soon after this, the prize winning slogans and jingles will be displayed on the LED screen. Please be ready for that. Hearty congratulations. Story isn't over. Reach out today by Ruben. Second prize, your life is precious. Choose hope over despair. You are not alone by Hayam Hamid. And the first prize winning entry, speak up, reach out. Together we can turn pain into hope. And this is by Mr. Yuvaraj, who was here with us. We now have the jingles on display. I think that was Shahina.
Remember, this is just a temporary moment. Things will get better.
Hold on, my friend, you're worth the fight. There's a brighter day beyond this night. I know you're tired, but don't you quit. You got so much more to give. You got so much more to give. The road gets tough, but you're not done. The road gets tough, but you're not done. The road gets tough, but you're not done. The road gets tough, but you're not done.
That was Anis K. Thank you, dear students. Continue to be compassionate. And my reference now is to Radhika Bangera, who has continuously served Suicide Lifetime as its volunteer. We always say that a bee is honored not because it toils, it is honored because it toils for others. So we have Radhika Bangera, who has toiled for others. She has been working for Suicide Lifetime. Please come on stage since its inception, and she currently serves, and Lavina tells me, 24/7. Now that's great work, Radhika. And today it's our privilege and joy to honor you, to felicitate you on stage. We cannot have one more Lavina Norona with the kind of service that she has put in, continues to put in. She says 24/7. With reference to Radhika, I must say to you, you have a different calendar and a different clock altogether, Lavina. Last night till 12 and till 1, she was sending me messages about all the changes in the program and additions in the program, and I don't know whether she slept at all. And here she is smiling as she felicitates Radhika Bangera. Radhika Bangera, a well-lived life is a true gift indeed. And all the volunteers of Suicide Lifeline, please come running to the stage. All of you, all the volunteers, please come here running. We are very happy to have all of you, and we acknowledge your good work with gratitude brimming in our hearts. All known faces, please come to the stage. Yes, thank you. Thank you for all the work that you have put in. Yes, please come. Yes. Welcome to the stage, and best wishes for good work to continue. Yes. Dr. Ramila. Dr. Ramila, I would say popular demand and demand by Lavina Norona, both. Rosa? Yes, Rosa Sandra. And is Roshan with us? Roshan Montero? Rosa Sandra Roshan Montero? Usha Rao, is she around? Okay. Lavina, please take center stage. You are here in the background. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together once again for Radhika Bangera. Patsy? Patsy, can we request you to come here? You were here a little while ago. May we request you to come up again? Is she around? Yes, she's coming up. Sabrina, please come. You don't need an invitation at all because the stage is rightfully yours. Please come. If we have left out anyone who has offered creditable service, is Usha Rao around? If Usha Rao has joined us, I welcome you to come to the stage. Yes. All of you, please smile as you show your appreciation for Radhika.
Is a candle in every soul, some brightly burning, some dark and cold. There is a spirit who brings a fire.
All the volunteers can sway the candle rhythmically, going with the music. If you can, in the same direction. If not, as you please. Hold the candle aloft and sway it, symbolically showing the diffusion of light.
Take your candle and go light your world. Take your candle and go light your world. Frustrated brother, see how he's trying to Make us a beacon in darkest times. Carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the helpless, deceived and poor. Hold out your candle for all to see. Take your candle and go light your world. Carry your candle, run to the dark, seek out the hope, all to see. Take your candle, go light your world. Take your candle. Go light your world.
Nothing is more honorable than a grateful heart. Good day to one and all, honorable guests, and my dear students. It's a great pleasure and privilege for me this morning to deliver the vote of thanks. First and foremost, I would like to express my deep gratitude to Mr. C.L. Anand, Commissioner, Mangalore City Corporation, for providing the venue free of cost for today's program. My heart goes out in gratitude to Mr. Vinod Ganguly of Divyavani live YouTube channel for recording and screening today's events. A big thank you for the students of Roshni Nilaya for the melodious prayer song. For the students of St. Aloysius College MSW Department for the Mime, and Miss Alfina, staff nurse, Ave Maria Palliative Care, for the beautiful song. We are very grateful to you for your performance. My sincere thanks to you, Miss Kushi Walke, for sharing your life's sad moments and for creating awareness among the students. My special thanks to Roundtable 115 and Ladies Circle 82 for sponsoring the Raffle prizes. You have always been there to render us a helping hand. A special thanks to the chairpersons, Circler Nandita Fernandez, Chairperson Mangalore Ladies Circle 82, and Tabler Sandeep De Silva, Mangalore Roundtable 115, for giving away the prizes today. I would like to specially thank the judges of the slogan contest, Mrs. Bharati Shevgur and Mrs. Deborah Lobo, and the judges of the jingle contest, Mrs. Vani Umaka Kushalappa and Dr. Namrata Suvarna, for your patience and time you have sacrificed to judge these contests. I will be surely falling short of my duty if I do not thank the sponsors of today's program, Dr. Derek and Patsy Lobo, Mrs. Violet D'Souza, Cask Centenary Trust, Miss Olga Norona, Mrs. Sandra Suarez, Mr. Alan C.A. Pereira, Mrs. Ratna Pinto, and Mrs. Mercy Menezes. The Suicide Lifeline team is ever grateful to you for your generous contribution. For the past 3 days, the Ave Maria Palliative Care staff, MSW interns, and volunteers have rendered a helping hand in preparing the lapel pins, raffle, and posters. I would also like to thank all the Suicide Lifeline volunteers. You have gone from college to college to invite the students and the faculty. A big thank you to each one of you for your service. A special thanks to Mr. Clinton DiMello and Mr. Chris Rasta for designing our flyers and for all the technical support you have rendered today. We are grateful to Mr. Nevis D'Souza for providing the digital video wall at a nominal rate, and to Mr. Aryan for his assistance with the operation today. Thank you, Mr. Toyston Rodriguez of Rodriguez Catering for providing sumptuous breakfast at a very nominal rate. I would also like to thank Mr. Dominic Saldana, the photographer of today, and Mr. Harish and his team from Town Hall for all their help today. Thank you, Dr. Lavina Norona, for your sheer determination and hard work for this great cause of Suicide Lifeline. You have sacrificed your whole life to bring smiles in other people's lives. A heartfelt thank you to Mrs. Sabrina Hogarth for her constant support to Suicide Lifeline since inception. Thank you, my dear students, for devoting your precious time to be a part of this event. Before I conclude, I would like to share 2 lines with you. I quote, "The future lies before you like a hidden mass of snow. Be careful how you tread it, for every mark will show." Unquote. Thank you. Our wonderful compere, Dr. Malini Hebbal, definitely needs a round of applause today. I invite Dr. Lavina Norona to hand over a small token of appreciation to Dr. Malini Hebbal.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।